What's up guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about data backup. Are you prepared for data loss or data theft? If not, that video is for you. I don't know guys if you are aware, but we have World Backup Day soon. It's exactly 31st of March and it's about bringing the awareness of what might happen to your data. I'm not only talking about oh shit, I lost my pictures because I forgot to copy them somewhere, but I'm talking also about a situation like data theft. You might be a target of ransomware, and those attacks are very dangerous and they will cost you a lot of money, or you will basically lose all your data. So guys, if you are interested in this, I have a surprise for you. The very famous company that is making fantastic software basically designed to back up all your important pictures, documents and all that stuff, even cloning the whole drives, is making fantastic promotion. So you can have right now software worth more than $600 for free, but there is a limit, so you need to be fast till end of this month, which is the 31st of March. I'm not sure what will happen later, so grab this fantastic software for free right now. Usually I'm very cautious with companies like this when they give you something for free, because you never know what it is. That could be scam at the end of the day. But this company, I know for years, I used to use some of their software in the past, especially for cloning the drives. And yeah, well, let's have a look what I can tell you about this company. It's called AOMEI, was founded in 2009, so it's a long time on the market. And they are very famous for main products like Backupper, Partition Assistant, 1K recovery, and more basically. Okay, so let's have a look what they have to offer for us. So at the moment we can have all of that software, 6 different programs for free. First one is a backup Windows, so probably you know what it means. Backup iPhone, backup cloud, backup virtual machines, restore Windows, and restore the iPhone. So the link you see here will be in the description below, so simply go on this website and press here. Okay, let's download this. It's 500 megabytes, so I will be back in a bit. All right, let's have a look. Okay guys, so let's choose the first from the list. So what we have here. All right, so we have a license for 1 year, and it's an important note here. Please hurry up and activate before April 2nd, 2023. After this time, the code will not be active anymore. So this is only for personal use, so if you are planning to use this at your firm, you need to look for different license. Okay, let's have a look. My antivirus just kicks in, so let's have a look what problem we have here. Okay, so the file that was just locked is for remote control. I'm not sure why this backupper needs to have it. Maybe as a part of the different software they are using, because in some point I will be installing the backup cloud, so that might be needed for later, but I'm not sure, to be fair. Let's have a look if it's gonna work or not with this file locked. Let's have a look if it's working or not. Okay, looks like it's working. Just in case, I will run another program. Process Explorer, fantastic tool to find any any sort of the virus. I was talking about this in my previous video, so the link will be in the description and also in the corner. Okay, all good here so far. Nothing suspicious. Okay, let's have a look. All right, guys, so as every program to backup files, we have a simple menu. So let's have a look what we can backup. So we can backup the whole system, partition, one of the partition. We can use cloud backup, the entire disk, some specific files, even Outlook emails. Sync option, that's great if you wanna copy all your important things like documents and the photos without even thinking about this. So if you have like two drives, maybe one external, maybe one in the network, and you are working on something, this tool would be great to make a copy of whatever you're doing. Yeah, that's very good stuff. One of my videos was about the NAS server, and that kind of software is very useful. So I'm gonna play with this later. Obviously, restore, and you can clone entire partitions and the drives. Very freaking handy. Update checker, create a bootable media, explore image, and much more. Okay guys, this video is not about how to make a backup because it's very simple, just a few presses of the button and just choose whatever you want to do. The simple wizard will take you through all the steps necessary. So yeah, okay. Okay guys, what else we have? Cyber backup setup. Cyber, what that means? What is it about? Login and password is just admin. Alright, so that's a virtual machine that is running in the background, and their only job is to create the backups of something you just set up. So very interesting tool. So instead of running this on the computer somewhere in the basement, you can run it in the background as a virtual machine. So that would be for someone that has many computers in the network. You just need to provide IP address, but this is not the scope of this video. It's not something that normal user will be using, so it's not for me. I will check another program. Okay, so this data recovery assistant is for iOS devices, which is iPhones, and the phone I'm using right now to record this video. So yes, simply plug in your iPhone to the computer and run this program. This program will go through the things you wanna backup, like photos, contacts, and much more. So if you are an iPhone user, that's for you. Another program, it's called Cloud Backup Service. It's a program that will allow you to make a copy of the content you wanna secure straight away to the services like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or combined cloud. So if you use a lot something like that, that would be very helpful with everyday tasks, like for example, you're working on the computer at home, and then you go to work, and straight away you have access to the files you were just working on. I know that Google Drive works like this, but with this software everything happens automatically, so no need to think about, oh shit, I forgot to copy those files to those servers. So everything will be done for you. All right, what else? Another device that is recommended for phone users, but it says phone tool, but looks like it's only for iPhone users. iPhone, iPad Touch, and nothing about the Android. Let's quickly have a look. No, it's not for Android users, only for iPhone. Shame a bit. Okay, but again, you have few interesting tools here. I think it's worth trying. And the last, my recovery setup. Let's have a look. Very handy program. Very handy program. It happened to me, probably it happened to you. Sometimes we delete something and we are like, oh, I shouldn't do that. Oh, I forgot that I have this important file in that folder and I just freaking delete it. If it's not in the bin, you need to use program like this. So this program basically will scan the system and will try to recover the data that you just deleted. Obviously, it will be limited to some point. So if, for example, you deleted something a long time ago, it's probably lost forever because this section of the drive was written over and over again, so it will be probably impossible to recover. But if you lost something recently, the chance of success is almost 100%. I had a video how to recover data some time ago. The link will be in the description and somewhere here. But yeah, this is another great tool to use. Just simply choose the partition you want to scan, start scanning, and the program will go through step by step what to do next. Again, this is not the scope of this video. Alright guys, the purpose of this video again wasn't reviewing all that stuff, simply to inform you that fantastic software like this is there and it's waiting for you for nothing. You have a license for a whole 12 months and I want to be a part of this World Backup Day. I want to make everybody aware of the importance of making backup regularly. The reasons for this are many. For example, we all have phones. What if you lost your phone? What if you are on vacation and you just drop your phone into the ocean? What if someone stole your bag? What if you smash your phone because you drop it from the high? What then? Data is gone. All your memories, your contacts, your important stuff simply gone. So software like this is very handy and it's very important these days. We cannot do anything these days without our phone. Also, doing regular backups of the operating system is very important. You might be a victim of a virus, malicious software, ransomware attacks. You don't want that. We don't think about problems like this until that happened to us. What then? At least with something like this you are covered. And if you think that you go to the IT guy and he will sort this problem for you easily, forget about that. I remember back in the day when I was an IT technician, we were charging crazy amount of money of the files we just recovered. So yeah, it's not fun for someone that needs to pay for it. Other things like backup cloud, so automate your job. Simply set up a few things and the software will do the job for you. So once you do it, no need to worry about it again. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing. Don't forget to smash that like button, but only if you want. And just go there and grab it right now. Alright, thank you and see you next time. Bye.